Hi friends, today's topic: why ELCB or RCCB or RCD trips frequently. The main reason is the leakage current or the unbalanced current in our system. And the factors or the reasons which leads to the leakage current or unbalanced current are these. The first one is the faulty wiring or loose connection. Over time, the wear and tear happen to our electrical system. Due to that, the loose connection would happen, and also the poor installation or wiring by the worst electricians. All these things causes the leakage current of the system. What is the solution for this problem? We need to inspect regularly our wirings or our electrical system with a certified engineer. And the second reason, the overload circuits. In some homes, they are connecting many number of equipments in same circuit. Due to that, power fluctuations would happen in the circuit and it would cause the RCCB tripping. Solution is distribute wisely your appliances or equipments in many circuits, so it would reduce the chance of the overload. And in some areas we could see in the same extension board they are connecting many appliances, and this extension board is connecting to one socket, so it would cause overloading. So avoid these situations. You could use very small power things in extension boards, but if the appliances is heavy rated, then you must choose a single socket for to connect it. And the next reason is the moisture or water exposure. The installations in the damp areas or high humid rooms would cause this problem. Water content would seep into the components and it would cause the leakage current. Okay, and the solution, install our switchgear, our RCD or ELCB in dry area. Suppose you install your RCD in wet areas, use weatherproof covers. And the next reason is faulty appliances. Some old appliances would have worn out of the insulation and the damaged power cord of some appliances or the damage of components. So we need to replace this one or repair this one. That is the only solution of this one to avoid the leakage current from these appliances. And the next reason is the inadequate RCD rating. In some houses, some persons using very low rating of RCD, so it would cause the tripping of the RCD. So the solution is to consult an engineer and we need to upgrade your RCD rating. And the next one is the electrical surges or spikes in our system. The lightning or the voltage fluctuation from the grid causes the unbalanced current flow to our system. And the solution is installing surge protectors or voltage stabilizers. These devices will help you to protect from the nuisance tripping of the RCD. And the next one is the general precaution you need to take to avoid the nuisance tripping of RCD. We need to check our electrical system once in every 3 months or at least in 6 months with only certified electricians. And the next one is upgrade electrical system. It means replace your old electrical devices, components, or change your faulty wires. Okay, for this one also you need a certified electrician or an experienced engineer. And the next one is only use branded switchgears. The international brands are ABB, Schneider, Siemens, Dorsman, Smith, Legrand. Okay, if you use these brands, then your switchgear would be there for a long time without any malfunctions. I hope you got some deep information about this topic. If you want to have more deep informations, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.